So, today guys, we are going to pimp a Volvo, and this must be close to the first time that I don't work at my own shop. So, we are going to tint that one plus that one and maybe the little tip of the blinker. And which color?
Shouldn't that be the surprise? Yeah.
So, what kind of color? Normal tint or?
No way. I'm gonna be the outside guy, so neon yellow.
That's an odd color.
Gonna be awesome.
So I've never tinted any headlights, and my friend here have never done that either. So this will be very interesting. So if you're clicking into the video and thinking of to do the same on your car, well, we can tell you if it's easy or hard. And well, problems or idea is made to be solved, right? So, well, this is, well, a first time. Apparently, we can remove the headlights easily. So, well, maybe this will be a fail, or it will be a brilliant idea. Who knows? Who knows? Well, I do not know.
Me neither. Can't get it out.
But you can't get this one out.
No. Where does it stop? Oh, it's down. I have to go upside. Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's freaking
Easy. Oh.
So, tint a headlight on a V60 is, well, piece of cake.
Yeah, take the headlights out.
Okay. Now we just need to clean it super...
Super clean.
yeah. So the tint will be stuck on the headlight forever. Or, well, not forever maybe, but for 2 years at least, hopefully. Until we need to change it for another color. Red?
No way.
Blue?
No way.
Chrome?
That would be cool. Different. Very different.
Very different. So, step 1, clean it. So, well, we are done with the first one, and that was fairly easy, but few minor problems, yeah, but well, it's the first time, and well, this one was super easy. So the easy part here. We are done with one side, so on with the daytime running lights, or DLR, daylights running.
Positions?
Yeah, position. Well, the middle one is
pretty cool though.
too bright for the video to take, but well.
You can turn the light on.
Now we have a pretty fair shot, actually. Are you satisfied?
Yeah. Like fucking hell.
Well, actually, it do look good. Well, I need to look in the camera here, but well, it do look good. Yeah. I approve. Well, here's the result. We also took this one, and he wanted to change the color on this one as well. The walk me home light, or well, whatever it's called, and he took these ones as well. Well, I don't know if you seen that it's pretty empty in the garage here, but well, that is because it's too expensive. It's too expensive, and well, there is a little bit more, but I will keep that private because, well, it's for the greater good. So we have to move, and where? I don't know yet. That will be a future problem. Maybe back to the GTR, or well, the R33. Well, this guy here wonders if he should lower the car even more. What do you think? Should he lower or not? Write a comment. So, how many centimeters?
From the wheel to the top, 7 centimeters.
So, well, from there to here, it's 7 centimeters.
Should we go down to 4.5?
Well, let us look. Let us look. Low luck problem. So, to be the first time, how difficult was it?
From scale 1 to 10, 6 probably. So it's pretty tough to do it.
Well, you can't do it by your own.
Yeah, of course.
But it will be hard.
Yeah.
You can do it, but it will be hard.
Take a close shot so they can see
yeah, of course.
how it looks.
Well, there is a little ones here, but well, to be the first time, it's pretty darn good. To be the first time, remember that. And well, there is small stone chips from the beginning in the headlight, but as we said, to be the first time. If you like the video and found me and my friend interesting or helpful, funny, or well, anything, press the like and subscribe to the channel, and you will see more about, well, this kind of stuff, and you will see some car detailing and car meets and so on. So don't be shy, press the subscribe button, leave a comment and a like, and you will see more. So have a good one, and we'll see you guys in the next one.